shout out to Barbara and Tavoti. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Also upcoming after this is just a short video of my new affiliate, Premium CD Keys. Dawn Organics is proud to be affiliated with PremiumCDs.com. Come here for all your Windows and Microsoft Office keys. They are 100% legal and working. They have easy to follow instructions and great tech support. I also get my internet security keys from here, and I've also over the years gotten many Windows and Microsoft Office keys, and they all work 100%. So I personally use this website and find that they are great value for money, and I've never had any issues with using their products. Be sure to enter Dawn Organics at checkout for 7.5% off these prices. And also, Dawn Organics earns a small percentage from each sale. It's a great way to support the channel and also grab yourself a bargain for Windows and Microsoft Office serial keys. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be testing another fragrance oil I've never used before. It's coconut lime. I got this from Heirloom. It smells really nice. So my private label cafe, I can really experiment with all sorts of different stuff that I normally wouldn't use in my range, because I like to keep my range purely essential oils and clays and palm oil free. But I'd like to play around. Obviously I'm a soap maker, I love making soap, and I like trying different fragrance oils and micas, and even working with palm oil as well. And as mentioned before, the reason why I do use palm oil in this particular private label soap is because we want to keep the cost really low, and I'm cutting them a little smaller now just so we can keep the bars at the $5 mark, because I've got to still make money per bar. But keeping it that size and using these particular ingredients really keep the cost down, and especially with everything going up like crazy expensive. So this is the, but I'm going to call this the budget blend because it's got 30% soybean oil in it, and it keeps the cost low, and it's got 20% palm oil as well, and that really keeps the cost low. So I guess budget-friendly blend, I should say, oil blend. So it's 30% coconut oil, 20% sustainable palm oil, 30% soybean oil, 15% extra virgin olive oil, and 5% castor oil. And that's what's in here. I haven't added anything else in here. This is just, of course, the lye water, 1% citric acid, 2% sodium lactate, and 2% raw organic raw sugar. And of course, 4.5% of the coconut lime fragrance oil with natural vitamin E, so that's what's in there. And of course, coconut lime, so I thought green/white. So I'm just going to just to leave it neutral base. Actually, I forgot to grab one thing. I'll grab it before I start making the titanium dioxide. So just to put a little bit in with the white portion, and that's it. So I'm not sure how this recipe behaves, like this fragrance oil. I'm still going to add it to the oil. I'm going to add it to the oils because that's okay. I don't mind doing in the log swirl if I have to, so it's not really a deal breaker, even if it moves a little fast. I don't remember reading anything that it accelerates. I mean, I made that mistake with the lychee guava. I said, oh, it doesn't accelerate, I didn't read anything, but it did accelerate a bit, which is totally fine. I just did in the log swirl, I should say. So it's not a big deal if it does move a little fast, but I better get my behind in gear because these starting to cool down, and I don't want a false trace. So I'm gonna, they're at 30 degrees. I usually like to do 35 degrees, but that's okay. And I'll get on with it, stop yakking, and we'll make some coconut lime soap.